Hello students of standard 7. So welcome in our new session of SS. Here is our textbook, and today we are complete our chapter 14, conservation and preservation of resources. Okay, so हमने वाइल्ड लाइफ कंजर्वेशन से स्टार्ट करना है. सो लॉ हैव बीन enacted to protect wildlife for centuries. History record that Emperor Ashoka enacted law to protect wildlife. Even today they are law for the same state. Wildlife is formed in most of the state. Other voluntary organization also work for it. यानी कि क्या है, अभी के टाइम पे लॉ काफ़ी सारे बनाए गए हैं और काफ़ी सेंचुरीज से लॉ बनाए जाते रहे हैं. हिस्ट्री रिकॉर्ड के अकॉर्डिंग एम्परर अशोका है, वो भी काफ़ी सारे लॉ उन्होंने बनाए थे प्रोटेक्ट वाइल्ड लाइफ के लिए. सो इवन टुडे दे आर लॉ फॉर द सेम स्टेट वाइल्ड लाइफ फॉर्म जो अभी भी बनाए गए हैं. काफ़ी सारे वॉलंटरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन भी इसके लिए वर्क कर रहे हैं. फॉलोइंग लीगल स्टेप्स शुड बी टेकन फॉर वाइल्ड लाइफ कंजर्वेशन लाइक स्ट्रिक्ट एनफोर्समेंट टू स्टॉप टू कर्ब wildlife aquatic and pensioning wildlife in the forest should be counted after a certain interval. Forests provide natural protection to wildlife, so destruction of forests should be prevented. People should be explained the importance of wildlife conservation. Make quick effort and excuse forest fire. Make effort to provide medical treatment to wildlife. Develop protected areas for wildlife. Awareness should be both through the media and adequate supply of water, food and natural habitats should be arranged for the wildlife. Okay, then the life of अभी इसके बाद है हमारा डेजर्ट रीजन. अभी जो आएगा हमारा डेजर्ट रीजन, तो इसमें हॉट डेजर्ट ऑफ सहारा है. तो हॉट डेजर्ट ऑफ सहारा इज़ द लार्जेस्ट डेजर्ट इन द वर्ल्ड एंड इट इज़ वेरी ह्यूज, काफ़ी विशाल है. द क्लाइमेट ऑफ द सहारा इज़ हॉट एंड ड्राई. वहाँ का क्लाइमेट काफ़ी हॉट एंड ड्राई. रेनफॉल इज़ वेरी लेस. सो इन दिस वेजिटेशन फ्री रीजन, तो ये वेजिटेशन फ्री रीजन है. ड्यूरिंग द डे टेम्परेचर रीचेज अप टू 50 डिग्री सेल्सियस. डे में वहाँ का टेम्परेचर 50 डिग्री सेल्सियस होता है एंड द नाइट टेम्परेचर फॉल्स टू 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस. फ्लोरा एंड फ्योना यानी कि वहाँ वेजिटेशंस एंड एनिमल्स, तो डेट पाम एंड थॉर्टी वेजिटेशन आर फाउंड इन द सहारा डेजर्ट. ड्यू टू डेजर्ट वेरी लिटिल वेजिटेशन इज फाउंड. Oases surrounded by palm tree are found in the desert. Foxes, stripes, hyenas, desert scorpion, chameleon, desert lizard and snakes are found in this region. Okay, then the folk life, वहाँ की लाइफ कैसी, वहाँ भी लोग रहते हैं. तो इवन इन द हार्श क्लाइमेट ऑफ सहारा folk life thorps. People of the Paduan, Torang and Berber tribes lives here. Mostly they rear animal like sheep, goat and camel. Okay, so they get milk, leather and wool from the animals. Make essential thing of life like carpet, cloth, warm blanket, ये सब बनाते हैं वो लोग. So due to the availability of water in the vast Nile valley, crop like dates and wheats are grown there. तो नील वैली के पास में वाटर अवेलेबिलिटी है, सो वहाँ पे ये सब फसल उगाई जाती है. Then mineral oil is found in the desert area of Sahara. Apart from these mineral like iron, phosphorus, magnesium and uranium are found from this region. Drastic changes occur in the folk life of some region due to high production of mineral. वहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे हाई प्रोडक्शन है मिनरल का. दैट्स वाई वहाँ पे मड हाउस की जगह अभी स्टडी हाउस बनने लगे हैं. विद द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ रोड भी होने लगा. अर्बनाइजेशन यानी कि शहरीकरण होने लगा है. इज ऑल्सो टेकिंग प्लेस. सो मैनी पीपल फ्रॉम अब्रॉड कम टू गेट एम्प्लॉयमेंट इन द ऑयल सेक्टर ऑफ दिस एरिया. Then desert of Ladakh. Okay, so what is the desert of Ladakh? So Union Territory of Ladakh is located in the north of India. Ladakh is a cold desert of India. To its north, Karakoram mountain region is located, and to south, Jaska mountain range. In thus, the main river of this region to air here is very thin, and the climate of cold and dry due to the high altitude. This summer in temperature is above 0 degree Celsius. During day and during night, the temperature may drop below -30 डिग्री सेल्सियस. रेनफॉल इज़ वेरी लेस हियर, यानी यहाँ पे दिन में तो 0 डिग्री टेम्परेचर होता है, नाइट में -30 डिग्री तक हो जाता है. Vegetation and wildlife of Ladakh. So flora and fauna. The snow desert of Ladakh is arid dry climate, so it has very little vegetation. Only short grass is found. This is used for grazing domestic animal. बहुत कम grass है वहाँ पे. Cedar and poplar tree are found in valley region in Ladakh. Variety of species of birds such of Dev Chakli, red star, chokka, grandala, snow batteries यानी snow pageant, snow cock of Tibet, raven and hoopoe is found. Wild animals snow leopard, red fox, marmot यानी large squirrel, orchard, bear and Himalayan thar are found. Wild goats, sheep and yaks are natural to get milk and meat, so they prepare paneer from this milk of yak, and woolen clothes are made from the wool of sheep, goats and yaks. What about the people? So Ladakh is known for the mountainous beauty and culture. Mostly the tribes like Indo-Aryan, Tibetan, Ladakhi live here. So mostly people follow Buddhism. There are many Buddhist monasteries in Ladakh region, such as Hamish, Thursky and Raw, etc. During the summer season, barley, potato, pea, etc. are cultivated here. Along with farming and household work, women are also do small business such as running shop, weaving woolen clothes, etc. Due to large spread of Tibetan culture, it is also known as a small Tibet. These are Buddhist monasteries, so इनको देखने के लिए काफ़ी लोग वहाँ पे जाते हैं. Okay. Next is people lives in simple and easy life here. The employment of the people is mostly associated with the tourism industry. People from all over the world come here to visit monastery, meadows and glacier of region are spectacle is a privilege to watch festival and religious ceremony of the people. Thus, it is wonderful privilege to see the life of Ladakh. The main city of Ladakh is a Leh, which is connected by air and land route. National Highway number 1A passes from here. Due to modernization, changes has begun to come to the life, yet people keep pace with nature. They spread their life using natural thing very judiciously. वो वहाँ पे सब natural thing ही use करते हैं. Then Run of Kutch. The desert of Kutch is located in northwest of Gujarat. Pakistan lies in the west of Kutch desert, and Rajasthan lies to northeast of it. It is divided into two parts, Little Run and Great Run of Kutch. This area is known as a have formed due to lifting of the continental shelf. This desert is a part of Thar Desert, which is located in Kutch district of Gujarat. White Desert is also located here. The climate here is hot and dry. Then flora and fauna. The Bandi area is located in the desert of Kutch. A variety of grass and thorny shrubs are found here to prevent the advancing desert of Kutch. Wild Anastasia tree have been planted. मतलब desert ज़्यादा ना बढ़े इसलिए Anastasia tree वहाँ पे plant किए गए हैं. Then folk life. So the folk life of Kutch is diverse. The people wear animal like sheep, goat, cows, buffalo and camels, donkey. People in the coastal areas got employment from shipping, fishing and shrimp farming. Due to district climate, date, pomegranate, coconut and Kutchi kesar mangoes are also grown in some areas. The main crop here is a millet. Some of the people of Kutch are engaged in a special type of embroidery and handicraft business due to growth of modern industry. As modern industries grow होने के साथ में the population employment has also increased. So tourism industry is also growing very fast. It also provides employment to many people. Adventurous activity like paragliding are developing due to geographical flat condition of Kutch. Okay, so the homework is read again. We will meet again next session. Till then, bye. Thank you very much.